It's time to get cooking on breakfast. Got the griddle back there. Got the, well, there's all the bacon and eggs I'm going to be cooking up, so let's get going. This is actually bacon that I made. I took a pork belly, I cured it, smoked it, and, well, it's kind of hard to cut it really thin, so that's what you get. Looking good so far. So we got the backyard chicken eggs. Those are cooking up. Sausages are finishing up. We got it all ready to go. And breakfast is going.
Woo-woo!
Woo!
What?
Finished with breakfast. Sam's over there melting about sleeping bags.
Melting about sleeping bags.
Yeah. And I'm just sitting down on the chairs that Miriam put out under the awning. It'll be great. In the shade. I think that's what we're doing today.
And I still need 8,000 more steps.
8,000 more steps for Miriam. Okay. We're going to go on a little drive.
Hi, we're going on a little drive. There is an abandoned ski lift up on the mountain up here, and we like to go hang out there because it's cool.
It's cool. Okay, let's go.
I'll show you when we get there. Okay, well, we're driving anyway.
We're driving anyway.
Here we go. We're driving in the mountains. It's bumpy.
There's those aspen hills.
Oh yeah.
The hills are alive with the sound of aspen.
There's some prettier trees. Look at those pine trees. There's a mountain. We're going up another mountain. We can walk from our place to the ski lift, but it takes like, I don't know, 30 minutes. Oh, there's a car.
It takes a long time.
So we're just gonna drive because it's nice to have a little drive and get cooled down in the air conditioner for a minute.
Yep.
Also, it doesn't.
A person on a bicycle. That's a good idea. We should bring bikes up here. Pretty. Here's the bumpy part by the actual ski lift. Ooh, the bump up part. Oh, look how cool that is. So cool. There was even a seat up there not that long ago. Let's see.
It's still there.
Oh, there's still a seat right here. Oh, you can't see it. Very good. There it is. There's the seat. Here's a pretty view. And we get out and wander around for a minute. And then we get back in the car. Here we are looking at the beautiful mountains.
The Central Valley in Utah, I guess you could call it.
And here's a swimming pool. This is a abandoned ski lift lodge area. So there's the lodge. There's a bunch of kids. They're fighting with each other, so that's awesome.
Yeah.
There's this cute little hill. So they've climbed up this before, and we've taken lots of pictures with them before. Here's Sam talking about grasshoppers. Here's Chris.
And my old
it's really
man.
close to in the Keto Chow truck. So we can turn around and say hi. Oh, I can't turn it around while it's live.
It's going.
Oops. Don't want to say anything.
No, I'm fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, it's pretty up here.
I'm glad I had four-wheel drive just now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was backing up and started to go off the side, off the road thing and into a little bit of a ditch. It
Oh
was
yeah.
fun.
Well, it's because we usually pull up right there and then go forward, but some ATVs came up and pulled in
They were
front of us,
blocking it.
which was fine. They were nice people, but yeah, they just were in the place where you usually drive.
Stand in the place where you were.
Yep.
So we're having dinner.
which is
Somebody brought some Doritos.
yeah.
I'm not sure how those got here, but that's the only carby thing we got there.
Did.
Audrey did? Okay, so hi
We're
Miriam.
having taco salad without the tortillas
There you go.
and without the chips.
So
So good.
yeah, well, we did get some nacho cheese sauce. It's I think it's 2 grams of carbohydrates per serving, but we just threw it all in there, and it's actually been fantastic.
So yummy. We didn't cut up the olives.
Yeah, we didn't even bother cutting up the olives.
Just eating them.
So this is
Avocado, tomato, lettuce, taco meat, cheese, nacho cheese.
okay.
That's it. Is that it?
I think that's it.
And some secret Doritos for the
Secret Doritos for the carby kids. Okay.
Utah. Where maybe it'll try to say USA and probably not the.
It might.
Oh yeah, there's totally two. That one was just red and green. Wait, there was one that had a U? Is that even possible?
So you've got Moroni is over on the right, and Mount Pleasant is on the left.
Who are you talking to, Dad?
You guys.
Okay, I'm like, who are you talking to?
Us. He's talking to us, Sammy.
Alright.
Anyway, you've got the gases that are being vaporized from the wood, and they're igniting and everything around
And
there.
they're hanging onto the pole.
Yeah,
So that's why it's
it looks really cool.
going around the side. That looks super cool.
All right, here comes the fun, really fun part of doing camping. That is emptying out the composting toilet. Oh yeah!